Next, find the value of minus 1 upon 3 raised to minus 3 minus 1 upon 2 raised to minus 3, the whole bracket closed. This is called as brace bracket, divided by 1 upon 4 raised to minus 3. These types of brackets I have discussed it in my earlier videos. Kindly check that. Come back to the laws of indices. X raised to minus n equals to 1 upon x raised to n. Means if x is in the numerator, it goes to the denominator, and vice versa also. If it is 1 upon x raised to minus n, it will go to x raised to n. Right? Getting it? So our expression becomes 1 upon 3 raised to minus 3. So it will become what? 3 raised to 3. Right? Similarly, 1 upon 2 raised to minus 3. It will become 2 raised to 3. Right? Divided by, as it is, 1 upon 4 raised to minus 3. It will become 4 raised to 3. Right? Again pause the video and go back to laws of indices sheet. So now it's easy. Just solve. 3 raised to 3 is 27. This is 8 divided by 4 cube is, you need not solve this. You keep it as it is. So 27 plus 8 is 35 into 4 raised to 1 here divided by. So when it becomes multiply, it becomes 1 upon 4 cube. Yeah, you will have to solve. I thought if something gets cancelled. So 35 upon 4 cube is 64. Most important part is laws of indices over here. X raised to 0 is 1. X raised to minus n is 1 upon x raised to n. X raised to n into x raised to m equals to x raised to n plus m. X raised to n divided by x raised to m equals to x raised to n minus m. X raised to n the whole raised to m equals to x raised to nm. X raised to n upon m equals to mth root of x raised to n. Remember, this is very difficult. Check again.